Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To modify the standards setting within a custom preset of PDF settings, click the Standards category that appears underneath the expanded view of the preset settings within the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. The settings within the Standards category let you check PostScript document content to ensure it meets standard PDF X1A, PDF X3, or PDF A1B criteria before the PDF is created. Note that the options shown in this category will depend on the standard selected. Also note that these settings are not available if Acrobat 6.0 PDF 1.5 or later is selected back in the General category. For those settings, the default choice of None in the Compliance Standard dropdown is the only choice available. Also note that PDF Maker, which is the method used to convert Word documents to PDF, does not create PDFX compliant files. In the Standards Reporting and Compliance section, use the Compliance Standard dropdown to select the desired compliance standard. Note that if you select PDF A1B, then the options below will change. For all other choices, the options are the same. Next, use the When Not Compliant dropdown to select what will happen when the document is not compliant to the selected standard. The choices are Continue or Cancel Job. For the PDFX choices, in the If Neither Trim Box nor Art Box are specified section, you can either select the Report as Error choice or select the Set Trim Box to Media Box with offsets in inches. If you choose to specify offsets, enter the values to offset into the left, right, top, and bottom boxes that are shown. Then in the If Bleed Box is not specified section, you can select either the Set Bleed Box to Media Box choice or select the Set Bleed Box to Trim Box with offsets in inches. If you choose to specify offsets, then enter the values to offset into the left, right, top, and bottom fields shown. For all choices made in the Compliance Standard dropdown, you then set the settings in the Default Values if not specified in the Document section. Use the Output Intent Profile Name dropdown to select a document intent from the drop-down list. For PDFX choices, you can select the Use Output Condition Identifier choice from the dropdown if your choice is not listed, and you can provide an output condition identifier and registry name or URL that identifies your profile. You can then enter the Output Condition Identifier into the Output Condition Identifier field. Then enter the URL where more information can be found regarding the Output Condition Identifier into the registry name or URL field. For all standards choices, you can then use the Output Condition field to enter an optional parameter used to describe the intended printing condition. For the PDFX choices, you can then select a choice from the Trapped dropdown to specify the trapping state within the document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.